Hello, this is Binary Space with another episode of the Suit Project. Now before this video starts, I want to say that this summer is going to be a bit crazy for me. So if I miss a video, that's simply because balancing a job, hobbies, and vacation is just great fun. Oh, and also I put lights under my desk. It helps in the nighttime, which is usually when I work on all this stuff. But now onto the video. First off, a lot of progress is being made on the helmet, and finally, a bunch of those servo drivers came, so I'll have to play with them and get a circuit going to control the arm. But in regards to the arm, there's a serious issue that I'll mention, but I don't currently have a complete solution to fix. With this arm, there is a bit of a problem, and you can probably see it right there with this huge alignment gap, making it very hard to go ahead and slide this around, which is what's supposed to happen. So, like I said, I don't have a solution for it. However, I'm going to keep thinking. Right now, the only thing that I can think of is to maybe try to get the servos to hold it down and to use a lot of lubricant so that this will slide freely in the channel. Moving on to the helmet. Another thing that came in the mail recently are GPS modules for the heads-up display. I forgot to mention last time that they would be in the helmet. One of the main features of this helmet is the heads-up display, which is really the powerhouse of this suit, and also what allows you to control it much more effectively. So the GPS sensor is one of the main ingredients in a mini-map. This mini-map is not like a GPS for your car, as I'm not, or at least I don't have any plan to at the moment, going to turn it into a GPS with streets and navigation. Instead, you can program in obstacles or locations such as rooms in your house or barriers at an airsoft field. Then, you can give your buddies a little GPS tracker if they don't have a suit or a helmet, and you can actually see them in relation to yourself on the mini-map. So far in regard to this mini-map, I've gotten most of the hardware stuff out of the way, as I've successfully hooked up the GPS sensor to a microcontroller, and it spits out longitude, latitude, and how many GPS satellites are connected. But you don't say, my house is 0.03 latitude and 0.7 longitude away. You say, my house is like 5 miles away. Therefore, I'll need to convert latitude and longitude to feet, which is a pain in the... You need to do some trigonometry, because latitude and longitude are vectors, and then you need the circumference of the Earth, so you don't have a straight line through the Earth, and then you need the circumference at your altitude, and the Earth is in a perfect sphere, and of course it bulges in the middle because it's spinning. So I'll need to take a large drink of water, not to get a headache, and maybe an aspirin, or 5, and get to work on that bit of code. But that is not the only thing I've been working on either. Something that is a bit of an easier problem is the model helmet, or basically the band I will be making as a test to get all of the displays, mirrors, all that stuff aligned before I print an actual helmet. So here is the design process of that. Enjoy. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching Binary Space.